Hi, I'm Zach, and this is the Josh's Frogs facility. Want a tour? Want to come see where the magic happens? Then come on inside. Our first stop on the Josh's Frogs facility tour is our shipping area. That's where many of the dry goods we work with are housed, many large reptile and amphibian brands people are familiar with. The vast majority of the products that aren't living, if you see them on our website, they're here, where Holly, Nicole, and Kyle ensure they're packed and get out to our customers in a timely fashion. And this is where most of the products that carry the Josh's Frogs brand name are made, right here in Owasso, Michigan, at the Josh's Frogs facility. Actually, most of the products you've purchased from us online are from our gentleman Brent right here. Him, as well as a couple other employees, produce all of the media, substrates, insect cultures that we're known for. And this is the Josh's Frogs cricket room. Here we breed most of the crickets we use up at Josh's Frogs, including all of the pinhead crickets we sell on the site and all of the pinheads and 1/8 inch crickets we use for our own animals. It's our way of ensuring that we maintain top quality food for our animals, so we sell top quality animals. And this is the Josh's Frogs quarantine room. This is where all of our new arrivals live for at least 3 months. Any animals that we bring in for future breeding projects, you can take a peek in there. They're all quarantined for at least 3 months from all the rest of our animals. Very, very strict biosecurity practices. They're tested for ranavirus, chytrid. We do fecals on them just to make sure that everything, when it leaves this room, is in 100% top quality, perfect health, and is ready to become a breeder at Josh's Frogs to produce healthy offspring for us to pass on to you. And this is the Josh's Frogs tadpole room. About 2 months after moving into this room, we actually had to expand our tadpole room by about 3 times just to make sure everything fits in. Here we keep all of our dart frog tadpoles, tree frogs, mantellas, bumblebee toads, yellow spotted climbing toads. All of the gray bins around us, each bin contains 12 cups, and inside each cup there's a dart frog tadpole. We house them all individual to make sure that they get the best nutrition, the best environment that they can, no competition. Also, a lot of dart frog tadpoles are cannibalistic, and if given the chance, may eat each other. Over here you can see one of our ponds we actually set up for our yellow spotted climbing toad breeding project. Show you those guys in a bit. We're really excited about those. We're going to be able to release over 200 of those animals to the pet trade next month. Very, very uncommonly bred in captivity. Here's our water maintenance system. There's about 275 gallons of tadpole tea. And then over to your left up a little bit, that's about 250 gallons of reverse osmosis tanks. We have those on hand all the time to make sure we provide the exact water chemistry the amphibians at Josh's Frogs require to not only survive, but thrive. And all these tanks over here is where we maintain all of our tadpoles that are communally raised, such as the endangered golden mantella, bumblebee toads, yellow spotted climbing toads, Amazon milk frogs, red-eyed tree frogs, and all of our reed frogs we're known for. And before we leave the tadpole room, let's check out all of the morphine dart frogs we have coming out of the water. Currently we're producing a few hundred dart frogs every week, healthy captive bred animals for the pet trade. No need to bring animals from the wild here, we've got them right here, bred in the US for you. Our next stop on a video tour of Josh's Frogs facility is the tree frog room. Come on in. In this room, Austin oversees a wide variety of the animals we breed up here that are not dart frogs, including white tree frogs, red-eyed tree frog, yellow spotted climbing toads, bumblebee toads, several species of mantella. One of my favorites are actually these neat little guys down here. These are called Solomon Isle leaf frogs, Ceratobatrachus guntheri. And as you can see, they're called leaf frogs because they actually resemble leaves. What makes these guys very, very unique is they actually have what's referred to as direct development. They don't have a tadpole stage. Their eggs actually hatch out itty bitty little frogs right there. Really neat animals. One project we're really thrilled about are yellow spotted climbing toads. They come out of the water about as big as that little guy by my thumb right there. And a little bit later in life, these guys are about a month old. They're about that big. We're very excited. This is our first year breeding these guys. They're very uncommon as captive bred animals in the hobby. They're originally from Malaysia. We're very proud to be able to offer about 200 individuals starting in July. And this is the Josh's Frogs fruit fly room. Our fruit flies are known around the country for being very high quality and inexpensive ways to feed your young pets. We produce over 1,200 fruit fly cultures here, all of them made by Charlie, here sterilizing some cups. So, as you can see, it's a lot of fruit flies. And our next stop on our field trip is the Josh's Frogs Dart Frog Froglet Room. After the dart frogs leave the water in the tadpole room, they come in here to be raised until the point of sale. Each of these bins around me has anywhere from 15 up to about 20-25 dart frog froglets of varying species and morphs. If you take a peek, you can see the size and the health of the captive red dart frogs that Josh's Frogs is known for. These guys in particular are Dendrobates tinctorius citronella. They're one of about 17 different morphs of Dendrobates tinctorius we work with here at Josh's Frogs. Our final animal room stop on the Josh's Frogs facility tour is the adult dart frog room. It's in this room that thousands of dart frogs every year get their start in life, mainly thanks to Ryan, our head dart frog specialist. He goes through and ensures that all of the breeders in this room are properly cared for and is in charge of keeping the Vivaria clean and the animals in top health. Ryan oversees over 120 Vivaria here in the Josh's Frogs breeding room to make sure everything is running smoothly. All of the plants we sell on joshsfrogs.com are propagated right here on the third floor. Come on up. Here's Annette, who does much of our plant propagation at Josh's Frogs. She has 2 green thumbs. We breed a wide variety of bromeliads, vivarium-friendly plants, terrarium-friendly plants, a lot of carnivorous plants. You name it, we've probably got it. We also have our own RO system with a 275-gallon storage tank to ensure that all our plants get the best quality water possible. This is Tina. She oversees the plant department and packs the majority of the orders that come in. She's in charge of maintaining the quality of our plants, ensuring that they're pesticide, herbicide-free, and perfectly safe for your vivarium, terrarium, or animals. And our final stop on the Josh's Frogs facility tour is the office, the nerve center of Josh's Frogs. Here we work on customer service, answer phone calls, respond to emails, work on our social media, list new products for sale on the site, take in orders, and most importantly, the man himself, Josh of Josh's Frogs. And now that you've seen the Josh's Frogs facility, tell us what you think. Comment on our YouTube video. Be sure to visit us on our Facebook at facebook.com/Josh'sFrogs. Heck, give us a call at 1-800-691-8178 for any animal questions, questions about products, or to place an order.